I am beginning to
That's Stuart snoring. It's also Stuart wasting another almost full beer. He did that with the hop stupid yesterday. Fell asleep with a full beer. And he's got a almost full Wookey Jack sitting over there. That's gonna sit there wasting away again. Shameful, see? See these guys talk big, but they can't, you do too many videos right in a row. He likes to pop a couple in a row. And that's what happens. You do a couple videos, and beer gets wasted. Shameful, shameful. I'm making fun of you. Because I can. Did you never see the beer whisperer wasting a beer? I'm just telling you, see, we have proof on camera. Snoring, a good beer going to waste. So I want all my beer drinking friends to give him a hard time tomorrow for acting like a big shot on camera and letting beer go to waste. Because nobody wastes a good Wookey Jack. You heard it here, folks. I'm Time to Beer Whisperer. This is Drink Away the Beer Whisperer. We're making fun of Stuart for falling asleep and wasting beer.